Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through how to activate a 30-day free trial of Informatica's Cloud Data Quality, CDQ, using the IDMC, Intelligent Data Management Cloud Platform. Whether you're new to Informatica or just exploring CDQ, this guide will help you get started step by step. Step 1. Sign up for the free trial. Click the link provided in the description or chat section of the video. You'll be taken to a sign-up form. Fill in the following details: first name, last name, job title, company email address. In user role, select analyst from the drop-down. Phone number, organization name, and address. Then, check the box to agree to the terms and click Start Your Free Trial. Step 2. Verify your email. Once you submit the form, you'll see a congratulations message. Check your company email inbox for a mail from Informatica. Click the Verify Me button in the email to set your password. Enter your password and choose a strong password. Provide the same password in Confirm New Password section. It should be same as above and can contain alphabets, numbers, and special character. Choose a security question and provide an answer which is easy to remember, as this will be crucial while resetting the password in case you forgets. Click Submit. You'll then be asked if you want to receive product updates. Select Yes or No as per your preference. Step 3. Explore the available services. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard with several services, also called chiclets. These include data integration for ETL, data profiling to analyze data using column and rule-based profiles, data quality to create assets like parsers and rules, administrator to manage connections and environments, monitor to track the status of your data quality jobs, operational insights to get performance and usage insights. Step 4. Download and install the Secure Agent. Now, let's set up the Secure Agent, which runs DQ tasks. Now, select Download Secure Agent. Then, choose your platform, Windows or Linux, and copy the install token. You'll need this later. Then, click Download. Once downloaded, double-click the installer to start the installation. Secure Agent serves two purposes. First, Secure Agent acts as a local agent on your server or machine and runs all tasks and move data from source to target. Also, it allows us to access all the local resources, files, and databases. Now choose Installation Folder pop-up will be visible on screen for selecting the folder path. Click Next, and no need to change the folder path. Click Install on the summary screen. Wait for the installation to complete. Enter your username created in the initial step while filling the Informatica trial form. Then paste the copied install token. Click Register and wait. The agent will now start all necessary background services. You can check their status in the Runtime section under Administrator. Step 5. Verify environment setup. Click on your newly created environment to view details like agent name, host name, created by and updated by, list of agents and services. Wait a few minutes for all services to start. Once they're running, you're ready for the next step. Step 6. Create a connection, flat file example. Let's create a connection to read a flat file. Go to Connections on the left panel and click New Connection. Then enter a connection name starting with con as per Informatica naming convention. For the demo, I am giving the name as con_flat_file. Now, you can provide the description as per your project and requirement. For type, select flat file. Then select the runtime environment created. Also, provide the directory path on your local machine or server. And set code page to UTF-8, widely used and recommended. Click on Test, and then click Save, and your flat file connection is now ready in the IDMC tool. Congratulations! You've successfully activated your 30-day CDQ trial, installed the Secure Agent, created your first connection. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.